What's up guys, in this video we're going to show you how easy it is to assemble the Moto Double e-bike carrier, and we'll also show you how quick and easy it is to mount your e-bike. If you've never heard of the Moto Double e-bike carrier, this is literally the entire rack in my hands. 2 support arms and the base carrier. One of my favorite things about the Moto is the stainless steel construction and the fact that it's built in the USA. But my favorite part is how easy it is to assemble and the fact that you can always carry it in your trunk. So all we need to do is remove the pin, install the support arm. You'll see that there's 3 adjustment holes, and you can use those to adjust the width of the rack to accommodate the wheelbase of your bike. All right, so once we've got the rack assembled, the next step is to lower the wheel supports. Now we're only going to mount 1 bike today, but as you can see, it's a double e-bike carrier. It can carry 2 e-bikes, up to 200 pounds total. This bike weighs about 70 pounds, so we'll be fine. The next step is to raise the bike and gently place it on the support arm. Once you have the front of the bike mounted, then you do the same with the rear. Now that we have our e-bike loaded onto the rack, the next step is to move it from the rear cradle to the front cradle. The next step is to support the wheels with the lower cradles. You just want to slide this arm up. Make sure that the tire is centered on this cradle. Tighten the support in the back loosely just so it stays in place. And then you want to route this ratchet strap through the spokes. Loop it, back around, tighten it down, and then repeat that on the other side. Okay, now that the e-bike is mounted, the support arms are in the proper position. Now you really want to crank these rear knobs down tight as you can. And then just go back to each ratchet strap and tighten it down as hard as you can. And that's it, it's that easy. So while everyone else is fumbling with ratchet straps or these huge platforms on the back of their vehicle, you're already on the road with your bikes, headed home with your bikes, thinking about your next trip.